Okay, for the pinwheel, the first thing we want to do is we want to cut 4 blocks, depending on what color you want, 4 6.5-inch blocks. I'm doing mine at 6.5. You can do yours in whatever. But 6.5-inch blocks, and then we want to cut them in half. And so then we're going to arrange them like a pinwheel. And so I'm doing 2 different colors. I don't know if you can do more than that. I would do 2, but anyway. So then we're going to take and we're going to sew these together, and you can mark yours if you want. So we're going to put right sides together, and then we're going to sew our 1/4 inch. And I'm going to do mine by hand. You can do yours by machine, but I'm going to do mine by hand. Once you get these 2 sewed together, then you're going to go and you're going to sew these 2 together. Okay, once you got these 2 sewed together, then you can put right sides together, and then you're going to sew your 1/4 inch, and you're going to sew your first top row together on the block. Now when we line these 2 up, we want to make sure this seam is going that way and the other seam on this one is going the opposite direction. So that way they kind of just snuggle together, you know, really close. And that just helps for your center, for your points. Okay, once we get these 2 sewed together, then we're going to do the same at the bottom. We're going to sew this together, then this together, and then we'll sew the 2 together. Just remember to pay attention to your placement when you sew these together, because you don't want to accidentally get your colors swapped too. But anyway, let's finish this up. Okay, once we get these blocks sewn together, we're going to sew this together, 1/4 inch, and then we're going to take the 2 blocks, or these 2 blocks and these 2 blocks, and then we're going to sew them together. Like I said, once you get these 2 and then these 2 sewed together, then we're going to flip this over, right sides together, and then we're going to sew our 1/4 inch to make a block. And there you go. There you have a pinwheel block. And this is a 12 by 12 inch block. So anyway, so I hope this helps. Hope this tutorial helps. You can do several blocks to make a quilt. You decide. But I just wanted to give you the step-by-step tutorial of the block. Let me know if this helps you. Just kind of give me some feedback. I appreciate it. Thanks.